thought I understood you to say that if it was you wouldn't participate in the field sobriety testing. What's the rationale for that?
Well, they're going to ask you to do, typically there's a battery of tests. Typically they're going to check your eyes. It's called the horizontal gaze nystagmus test. They'll also have you stand on one leg. They call that the one leg stand test. They'll ask you to walk and turn, which is the walk and turn test. And those tests I always joke about is LeBron James couldn't do all those tests correctly. Typically we're getting pulled over and we may have been eating at, say, Brasserie, and we're wearing, or came from work, I'm wearing dress shoes. I'm not wearing athletic shoes. I'm 48 now. I'm not in 21-year-old shape. Some of us aren't, ideal weight. People are overweight. They've had injuries. You may have turf toe. Don't think about it. And it affects how you stand on one leg. You may have twerked your knee working out, running. You may be tired. There's all kinds of things about these field tests. I tell them my knees are shot. Sorry, I can't do those tests. I would not do the field test. You could also respectfully decline to do the test. You're not under oath when you're talking to the officer, but that's one thing I would not do. That I would say I'd rather not do those tests. I've had vertigo.
I've had a client decline by telling the officer he couldn't do those tests if he was sober.
Yeah,
which probably wasn't the best answer.
Don't use that language.
Yeah.
Don't use sober. I tell my clients when they're getting ready to testify, take that language out.